GRC farm. So today we conduct a new practical exercise how to prepare the nursery for the onion. So the first of all, this is a field which are using for the preparation of the nursery. We digging this field with the spade like that, and when the soil become a tilt or fine, then it is used for sowing the seeds of the onion. After preparation of this nursery, then we added the FYM, farm yard manure. We are using the FYM before sowing of the seed in the nursery because it's the 20 quintal that FYM is needed for 1 hectare, and after broadcasting this FYM properly mix with the help of the hand like that. It needs uniformity, properly mixing with the soil, and when the soil become a tilt, for the 1 hectare 10 to 12 kg seed is needed, and it depends on the season of the crop. If you are growing the summer season crops, then 12 to 15 kg of the onion seed is needed. But in the Rabi season, it needs 8 to 10 kg seed per hectare. So we are sowing the nursery for the Rabi season. Rabi season, if you are raising the nursery, then sowing the seed in a nursery in the month of the October and November, and it within a 8 week the height of the seedling reach to the 15 centimeter, then it is transplanting into the main field. After the 8 week seed of the onion is emerge, and it reach to the height of the 15 centimeter. But you know, there is the number of the weeds which is the effect the quality of the seeds. So before the sowing of these plants, we need to pull out the weed, because you know, in every field there is the 30% losses by the weed. So if the nursery is the weed free, the plant become a very vigor, and it easily pull out from the nursery. This is the weed which is the effect the onion. So it is a simply method. One weed is needed before the transplanting of the onion in a nursery. So we are doing this exercise. So after cleaning this nursery, we pull out. Now the plant is ready for the transplanting. Generally we pick the plant whose height is the 15 centimeter to 20 centimeter. Now our nursery plant is emerged from in a nursery. So before the transplanting all this nursery, we need a interculture. So interculture, why we need a interculture? Because you know, in a nursery there is the number of the weed is also emerge with the main plant. It affects the quality of the nursery. So there is a general method of the weeding. With the help of the hand, you also pull out all these plants. And another one, with the help of the hoe, you easily digging the weed and throw out from the nursery. This is a weed of the onion, which is generally affect the onion nursery. And there is also another, you can use also chemicals to removing the weed. But in a MBN department, School of Agriculture are doing a organic cultivation of the onion, so it is a chemical free. We just use a mechanical method for the weeding. Now this field is a weed free and it is ready for the transplanting.
Start.
So finally we prepare the ridge and now we transplanting these onion plant. How to transplanting? Because there is a certain lot of method, but we are using the ridge method here. So the row to row distance is a 20 centimeter. This is the row and these distance is a 20 centimeter, because it is very necessary for the production of the onion. How to transplanting? Just pull out, just hold the plant like that and pull in the soil up to the 5 centimeter depth, and the plant to plant distance is a 15 centimeter. Measure these distance with the help of the scale or a thread, then use the another plant. And this is a method of the transplanting. Having an idea or knowledge about every crop. He have a more than the 5-year experience of the field, so that's why he do all the activities. So this is a methods of the transplanting. After transplanting the seed, irrigation is needed, because the first irrigation is done when the field is transplanting. So first we transplanting all the plant and then start the irrigation. If there is any disease affected plant, it throw out, because if the affected plant is the transplanting, it's not properly grow. So in a nursery we use only the healthy plant for the transplanting. All plant are healthy and very vigor. You can take plant from the bucket. It's very necessary and mandatory that plant should be erect. If it is bend down towards the soil, it not grow. If the irrigation facility is not available, you can use also bottle for irrigate the plant, because if there is a water facility, irrigation facility not used, then you irrigate the plant with the help of the mug or bottle also here. So this is the method of the transplanting.